Math 0482. Course description. Students will survey topics from elementary algebra and intermediate algebra. Topics include: operations with algebraic fractions, solving equations with the algebraic fractions, radicals and rational exponents, complex numbers, solving quadratic equations, variation, solving equations and inequalities involving absolute value, function notation, graphing functions, inverse functions, exponential and logarithmic functions, applications, and problem solving. Course objectives. Number 1, demonstrate the ability to reduce rational expressions. Number 2, demonstrate the ability to add, subtract, multiply, and divide rational expressions. Number 3, express complex rational fractions in simplest form. Number 4, solve equations containing rational expressions. Number 5, solve equations and formulas containing rational expressions for a designated variable. Number 6, use rational expressions in problem solving. Number 7, convert a radical expression into an exponential expression. Number 8, convert an exponential expression into a radical expression. Number 9, express radical expressions in simplest form. Number 10, demonstrate the ability to add, subtract, multiply, and divide radical expressions. Number 11, solve equations that contain radicals. Number 12, demonstrate the ability to add, subtract, multiply, and divide complex numbers. Number 13, use radicals and complex numbers in problem solving. Number 14, solve quadratic equations using factoring, completing the square, and using the quadratic formula. Number 15, use the discriminant to describe the nature of the roots. Number 16, solve equations that are in quadratic form. Number 17, use quadratic equations in problem solving. Number 18, solve direct, inverse, and joint variation problems. Number 19, solve absolute value equations and inequalities. Number 20, analyze relations and functions. Number 21, identify the domain and range of relations from a graph. Number 22, demonstrate use of function notation. Number 23, construct the graphs of linear, quadratic, square root, and absolute value functions. 24, construct the graphs of step functions in the context of applied problems. Find the inverse of a linear function. That was number 25. Number 26, evaluate an exponential function. Number 27, construct the graph of the exponential function. 28, evaluate a logarithmic function. Number 29, construct the graph of a logarithmic function. Number 30, convert an exponential expression to logarithmic form. Number 31, convert a logarithmic expression to exponential form. Number 32, solve problems using functions.